Hello, everybody on YouTube. How are you guys today? Well, today I want to talk to you guys about more about Bluetooth technology, on why we use it and why do we need it. Now, first of all, if you guys hate wires like I do, this is a good option to get into, but be careful. It can be quite expensive as well. A very expensive hobby to get into the newer type of technology we have out there today. Now, you guys can see what I have on my desk. I have a wireless pair of headphones, considered Bluetooth. I have a wireless Rocketfish Bluetooth item for your stereo home audio equipment. If you want, I have just a regular cell phone, just a Samsung phone, and a iPod Touch as well. Now, these devices will work on all different items, but that's if you have a device that has Bluetooth, like say a Mac or a PC. But not all new computers actually have Bluetooth built into it. You gotta go into your control panel and actually find out if it does or not. Sometimes there'll be a label saying your device actually supports Bluetooth, like your computer or your Mac. Now, the one biggest problem with Bluetooth, it will drain your battery. It literally will kill your device if you leave it on. Trust me, done that so many times. The headphones died, or sometimes my iPod will die, or my phone will die as well, because I'm using Bluetooth, because it puts a lot more strain on your item itself. If you guys can see, that's the regular iPod Touch, and that's the regular cell phone. Now, the one thing you gotta do if you really want to get into this hobby, look up very headphones, Bluetooth, whatever you want to buy. It's up to you. If you want to spend a lot of money, go for it. If you want to spend a little bit of money, go for it as well. That's up to you guys. But biggest complaint is pairing. The biggest problem with all devices, it's a sports Bluetooth. Okay, say I have my headphones turned on, and I have my Bluetooth turned on my cell phone and on my iPod. This will actually connect to my iPod instead of my phone, because I have Bluetooth turned on my both devices, and that's the biggest problem. That's not the way it's designed. And you have to flip-flop, turn one on, turn one off. It gets kind of annoying. But that's just the type of technology we have today. I really love it. I think it's a good type of technology. But if you have an iPhone and you don't have a regular cell phone like I do, you're not going to have any issues of the Bluetooth not working with your phone. Now, the biggest problem is if you have multiple devices with Bluetooth turned on, the headphones will actually literally jam up with the frequency of Bluetooth pairing issues and pairing mode. So I turned the Bluetooth on these two devices, and this device wants to see one device. That's typically the way Bluetooth works. It wants to see one versus the other. Now this little guy is just a nice little unit for your older equipment and also newer equipment if you want to add the function of Bluetooth with your home audio. That's nice. I do not have to worry about a battery in this device as well. It uses this 5-volt DC, and I'm very happy with that. That constantly will be on. Biggest problem, this does not have on and off switch. I actually physically had to unplug it for to turn off the unit, for we do not damage the device itself. Very cool. I can pair my phone or my iPod, but again, we gotta make sure you turn Bluetooth off one or the on. Can't have both of the Bluetooth devices on at the same time, because it would jam up and it will sync to whatever device it finds. I typically do not have this paired up with either of my devices right now, my iPod or my iPhone or my iPod or my regular cell phone. It doesn't matter. I don't have a iPhone, by the way, just to clarify that, guys. does have a standard iPod Touch and just a old Samsung phone. That's what I use. And I actually stopped carrying my iPod Touch to work anymore. I don't take it to work anymore. I leave it here now. The only two devices I really take is my headphones and my cell phone. And that's how I interact with these two devices. Now, biggest issue comes the feet away from the unit itself, away from the devices themselves. Some will work 30 feet away. That is not true. Sometimes it is, sometimes it's not. It only depends on where you're actually located in your room, house, or wherever you decide to put this little guy, and wherever you want to call it. It is a short distance away from your unit. That's the max of the way these Bluetooth devices work. Now, this here will not talk to this receiver, or this receiver will not talk to the headphones at all. It will not see each other. That's the reason why I always figure out, it's like, what the heck's going on with my Bluetooth headphones? But I figure it out. It's like, oh, okay, and make sure I turn off one or the other device. But these are a very good pair of headphones, that you guys can see. I had a little bit of an issue with these headphones. These actual broke, and I repaired them, and the actual working right now. But I really do love the type of technology we have today. But if it's some type of own technology we can figure out, would be actually nice. But with all your devices connected to Bluetooth or connected to Wi-Fi or whatever, it just jams the signal and the device does not work. That's the reason why I don't have a lot of devices that have Bluetooth on it, except for my iPod and my phone, my stereo, and thus my iPod headphones. Now, one thing I would like to do is upgrade my computer with Bluetooth, but of course I can't. That would also be a known issue with pairing headphones and everything else with the device. Now, biggest problem, the iPod and my old phone does not see each other either. I tried to pair these up before, years ago, to send data back and forth with each other. It doesn't work. If you also have a Bluetooth printer, you can actually send a document or a picture or a print over Bluetooth, but that's if you have Bluetooth on that device as well. But make sure you fully charge all your mobile devices, your headphones, your iPod, or your Samsung phone. Now, this will also work with all devices, all smartphones, tablets, computers, but make sure everything has Bluetooth. When you're going shopping for a computer or anything that's a sports Bluetooth, make sure it does. If it doesn't, means your computer does not support Bluetooth. Means these headphones will not work, or this will not work with your computer at all. And trust me, it is a pain in the butt to get all these devices to talk to one of each other. The biggest problem is having all your devices turned on with the Bluetooth as well, because it will jam the signal from one device to the other. This will pair to whatever device that actually has a Bluetooth on it. That's if you have it set that way. But trust me, I know, I've done this a very long time. I used to have Bluetooth years ago on my mini iPod Nano, and the headphones just didn't really work and didn't have the processor of the device working with each other. The old Nano did not have Bluetooth. It was just a little dongle thing on the bottom. There's a 3-pin connector of Bluetooth, and this will also not work. It will not see that as well. Yes, typically these both devices have Bluetooth, but they will not talk to each other because they are different in one of the way of how it all works. I just love it. I think it's a great type of technology on what we can actually use for any type of thing. For home stereo, for audio, car audio, computer audio, it doesn't matter. It only pretends if you want to spend that extra money on Bluetooth. Trust me, Bluetooth is an expensive item. I paid $20 for these, and this cost me $50 for this little guy as well. Alright guys, this is about me talking about my Bluetooth items. I think it's a good idea if you want to get into this hobby. It's up to you guys, not up to me. If you guys are brand new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below because I want to know what you guys think about Bluetooth technology. If you're against it, that's okay. I'm not offended. If you give this vlog a thumbs up, hey, hit that like button. I appreciate that, guys. Peace out. Bye, guys. We'll hopefully see you in the next vlog. Later, guys, on YouTube. Thank you for watching.